Today, I want to show you an item that I truly believe should be eliminated from your warm weather wardrobe, and that is your favorite pair of shorts. Now, before you say to me, oh, Heather, I can't let go of my shorts, that's a big no. I just want you to think about a few things. They don't have to look like this. They don't have to look like a pair of jean shorts. They could be any other color, but they're binding. They are hot to wear in most cases because, you know, they're tight around your thighs and that sort of thing. And also, for the most part, they don't even look flattering, especially if you're a woman over 50. So take in the next 5 suggestions that I have, and I think some of them will really resonate with you, and you might choose them over those shorts. Let's take a look at suggestion number 1. First, let's look at one of my old favorite pairs of shorts. And this is like what many women like to wear, maybe not in denim, but maybe in another material. And not only does it show a lot of our thighs, especially if we're over 50, but they are also binding and feel hot and sweaty after a while on those warmer days. Better to let our legs breathe a little and be less covered up. And my answer to this is a nice skort. And I especially like this one by Belief that's just $43 and comes in 7 colors to size 2XL. There are shorts built in, but they are very lightweight and not binding. This is not only a better choice for warmer weather, but it also looks classier and more stylish. And as usual, I'll have all of my alternative suggestions underneath the video description and also in the first comment. And of course, if you go to amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50, there you're going to find my favorite sandals, my favorite tops for the warmer weather, and even accessories. But for now, we're in suggestion number 2. Some of you are hiding your thighs and wearing capris, but to me, these are just a longer version of shorts. And where they cut you off at mid-calf is certainly not figure flattering. Better to wear an easy breezy skirt like this one. And last time I checked, it was 40% off at just $24. It comes in 15 patterns and colors and goes up to 2XL. It's so lightweight, and the movement it has doesn't show off that mid-calf as much as the capris do. You can dress this look up with a blouse or just wear a fun t-shirt like this one that my daughter and I designed for just $20 and have a little fun with fashion. And if you like styling videos like this one, don't forget to subscribe. There's a button down there somewhere. And also, please don't forget to click on that notification bell or you probably won't see my newest videos. My next alternative to wearing shorts, which could also be an alternative to wearing your long jeans, which are definitely too hot for the warmer weather, is in my suggestion number 3. If you want to have an alternative to shorts or even your jeans and really want to cover up your legs, take a look at these great pants I just bought, and they are a linen cotton blend and so lightweight and easy breezy. One of the best parts about these pants is they come in petite, regular, and tall inseams, and also in 17 colors for just $37. They also have an elasticized waist for comfort, and I like to hide that so you don't really notice my belly so much. And it's just a really good alternative to wearing shorts. And don't forget to stay until the end of this video where once again I'll have an inspirational message for you. And this time I'm going to talk about getting out of the same old outfit rut. But for now, we're on suggestion number 4. I talked about feeling easy breezy, and what better way than a cotton dress like this one. It comes in amazing 25 colors up to 2XL and just $54. It's also lined, and did I mention it's cotton? I dared to wear red this time, and I just love this for almost any occasion. Wear it with a fun look like this with a straw bag and hat and flip-flops by Crocs, or you can also put on a little bit of jewelry, a kitten heel sandal for an outdoor event or wedding. And don't forget that the warmer weather means you really want to look like the best version of yourself and feel like the best version of yourself. And I don't know if you've checked this out, not a lot of people have, but for just $39.95, my daughter and I, we created a body health program. It's all about wellness, it's all about acupressure, healing yourself, there's fitness in there, there's even chair yoga. It's in 3 different levels, so there's no excuse, and the best part is you don't need a gym membership, you can do it at home. So it's www.agewellwithheather.com. Very important you put the www in there. Click on the more info and there you have it. Join us. We would love for you to be there and to truly be the best version of yourself. But for now, let's look at another suggestion. Okay, you're wearing those tight binding, favorite pair of shorts. Check out this suggestion. How about just choosing an unclingy and a little longer pair of stylish shorts like these ones that are just $32 and come in many colors to size 3XL. Notice that they are more flowy and not binding. They also give off a more put together and stylish vibe, and you can dress them down with a t-shirt or up with a blouse. Sometimes, when it's a new season, we just grab the same old item, like a pair of tight shorts. But what I've shown you here today is that you could choose something different, something a little bit more stylish, something a little bit more easy breezy, and also something that keeps you cooler in those hot days. Sometimes it just takes a video like this to help get you out of a rut, and I'm always so happy to help you with that. I also suggest that in the warmer weather, you try a little bit of color, like dare to wear red or feel so pretty in pink. I also know that in my last video, I mentioned get out there, go out and dress up and enjoy the barbecues, the street fairs, the festivals, and even joining on a patio with friends. So once again, lay out your outfit on the bed, and don't forget maybe a straw hat, a straw bag, and those cool sunglasses. And as I've mentioned before, we truly only have, a certain number of summers left. So let's enjoy them to the max, and to me, it's just another way to be loving our age.